What's going on, guys? Up here at the wood pile, gonna load up the truck and bring some of it back down to the house now. It's been sitting out here for a little while drying. Should have been pretty close to dry anyways, but I'm curious to see how much wood fits in this. I'm gonna stack it and then I'll measure it at the end. I'm thinking it should be maybe 1.5 cords or so of firewood, but that's what I'm here to do. Gonna find out. So I'm gonna set the phone up and put you guys on a time lapse. I'll fill the truck up and then we'll go back and measure it. Okay, there it is. Looks like I got a couple high ones on there, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Here's what's left of the wood pile. Still quite a bit of wood sitting here. So I guess we'll go home, measure this, see how much wood this truck can haul. See you in a bit. We're gonna measure this out and see how much wood we got in here. See where it says 6'6", 78 inches?
Yeah.
Okay, 6'6" wide. See, we're a little bit over the rails. The rails are right at 3.5 feet, so we'll call it 4 feet. Nah, we'll call it, it's about 4 feet average high. And then let's see how long it is. So it's an 8-foot bed and it has a fuel tank in it. So I'm gonna say this is 7 feet. But we'll just verify. Come on over here and show this. 7 feet to the edge of the wood. So, what was it? 6'6", 4 by 7. Okay, so that came out to 182 cubic feet. I believe a cord is 128. So we're at 1 cord plus another, was that 52 cubic feet? So not quite 1.5 cords, but almost. That's pretty good for a truckload.